What's up, guys? Welcome back to Code Wizard, and today we're going to be talking about how to install Bootstrap 4 in VS Code. So we're going to install Bootstrap 4 via the extension. So we're going to click over here where the extension icon, and then from there where it says search extensions, just type in Bootstrap. Alright, and it should be the first result. You'll see Bootstrap 4. Go ahead and click on that, and then you want to click install. Now once you do that, it should say this extension is enabled globally. Go ahead and close out of this. And for testing purposes, I have an index.html file. And all we're going to do is just type in B4. And as long as your autocomplete is set up properly in VS Code, you should see B4-$ here. And it says Bootstrap Master Template. So go ahead and click on that. And you can see that it preloads all this HTML, and specifically in the HTML we have a bunch of CDNs that are required in order for Bootstrap to work. So you can see we have the Bootstrap CSS, and we also have this optional JavaScript here. Certain features of Bootstrap need jQuery and certain JavaScript files, so that's why it actually preloads them down here. If you don't need those features, of course, you can get rid of this, but this here, this Bootstrap CSS, that's the main thing that we want to have in our HTML file. So it's kind of nice. This automatically just preloads everything. There are other ways to install Bootstrap. You can use NPM if you have like a node project, but this is the quickest way, especially if you have a small project you want to use Bootstrap for, to style CSS or whatnot. So again, all you have to do, click on the extensions, search Bootstrap, hit install, and then the command, I'll do it one more time, it's just B4, and you want B4-$. Click on that, and it will preload all of the CDNs that you need for Bootstrap to run. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, like the video, and thanks for watching.